Hello all. In this particular video, we'll be studying about a concept called MUX tree. So now, question might arise, what is this MUX tree? See, as you look, the diagram which I have written at my back, okay. So here it's represent like a tree structure, okay. So assuming that these are all the multiplexers which I am having, so assuming that, let's consider this is a stem, these two are my main branches, that is B1 and B2, okay. That it is again divided into sub branches, it is again divided into few more sub branches, okay. So consider this part, this particular sub branch, as there are two inputs. Here I am getting one output, that is it is 2:1 marks, it is 2:1 marks, okay. Here it is 2:1, 2:1, and again it is 2:1 here, okay. So these are a simple representation. So typically I am reducing your whole tree with small multiplexers like structures, okay. So this is a whole big multiplexers which can be reduced using your small multiplexers. So the concept is very much simple here. What do you mean by MUX tree? Obtaining an higher order MUX using your lower order MUX. Now let's go with some examples, okay. So example, the problem will be asked in your examination or in your test will be like this: implement 4:4 multiplexer using 2:1 multiplexer. So what is the ultimate aim here? You have to construct your 4:1 multiplexer. Forget about whatever the multiplexer which he has asked you now. What is the main aim here? It is 4:1 MUX. Okay. So if it is 4 cross 1 MUX, see, it's very simple. Please concentrate now. My n value is 4. So I will be taking 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. If I again divide 2 by 2, it is 1. Okay. I will divide it by 2 again, so that it becomes 1. So I cannot divide 1 divided by 2, I cannot divide it again and again. So I'll stop at this point if I attain 1 as my value. If I add last 2 of this, 2 plus 1 will become 3. So it means that we require 3 2:1 multiplexers to construct my 4:1 MUX. Please understand it again. I'll be repeating again. We require 3 multiplexers, 3 2:1 multiplexer to construct your 4:1 MUX. Okay. So if that's the case, so please observe here how I have written. I have used 3 2:1 multiplexer here. In the first stage, at this particular stage, one multiplexer is having 2 inputs, that is 2:1 MUX, 2:1 MUX. Totally I am having 4 inputs here. So here I will be taking another 2:1 MUX, so that it will produce your final output y. This is your representation of 4:1 MUX, 1 MUX using 2 cross 1 MUX. Okay. So here these type of problems can be asked in your examinations, like examination problems can be it can be construct 8 cross 1 MUX using he can directly specify the number of MUX also using 2 4:1 or 4 2:1 MUX or anything. 8 cross 1 MUX using 4 cross 1 MUX, or he can ask you construct 32:1 MUX using 8 cross 1 MUX. Okay. So these are the possible questions that you can expect in your examination. I hope so you have understood this concept. Please go through the video. Thank you.